begins on a Thursday in Olympia, Washington. A license plate reader flags a vehicle as stolen. When local police attempt a traffic stop, the driver makes a dangerous choice: to run. Thurston County Sheriff's deputies locate the vehicle on Highway 101, but the driver flees again, initiating a high-stakes pursuit onto Interstate 5. With the situation escalating, Sheriff Derek Sanders and his team move to intercept. While some deputies prepare spike strips, two specialized patrol cars equipped with a grappler move into position. Let me explain this device to you. It's called the Grappler. The Grappler is an innovative tool mounted to the front bumper of a patrol vehicle, specifically designed to safely end dangerous high-speed pursuits. When activated, it launches a strong tethered net that quickly wraps around the rear tire of a fleeing vehicle, locking it in place and forcing the suspect's car to a controlled stop.
Good grapple, felony stop.
South at 93rd, we'll be on the south side.
Let's see some fucking hits.
Officers swarm the vehicle from all sides. The driver is quickly taken into custody, ending the dangerous ordeal without injury.
Visually clear from here. On the move in. Yeah. Driver's side clear.
The driver was arrested for possession of a stolen vehicle and attempting to elude law enforcement.
74. When I looked out, dude, he was stuck behind the other car.
But the story doesn't end there. The suspect also had multiple outstanding warrants in a neighboring county for serious charges, including domestic violence and assault, making this successful capture and the technology that enabled it all the more critical.